Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a password pin for your store purchases on your Xbox Series X or S profile. So let's go up to settings right here and then go down to account, go to sign in and security pin and select this. Now, when you go to this option, we want to go over to create a personal pin. So it says delete my personal pin. Just go to where it says create now, and then we can type some sort of combination on our controller. So you can use the D-pad. You can use all those buttons on the right. So look at the corresponding number. I'm just going to use the D-pad, do something real simple, and then type this in again. So type it in twice. And then when you get to this screen, go on down to the bottom left and go to change my sign-in and security preferences. And then when we go to this, I want to go on over to custom and choose this. Now we have all these different options under here. And I want to go over to where it says ask for my personal PIN for store purchases and go to PIN required. And then you'll have to have this on anytime you make a purchase on your Xbox Series X account. So this will open up before you can buy something, and then you'll have an extra layer of security on your profile. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.